I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating power and SIM as causes. Plug the unit in or ensure battery is above 20% and power it on. A weak battery can cause intermittent drops. Next, remove the SIM, look for dirt or bent pins, then reseat it firmly in the correct slot because misalignment breaks registration. Finally, confirm your account is active and data isn't capped. If the carrier blocked service, no local fixes will restore connectivity. Once the basics are set, focus on network and software. You should change the radio mode, try 4G only or auto, and switch bands to avoid local congestion. This alters how the device negotiates with towers. Then access the admin UI or app, check for firmware updates, and install them after backing up settings because outdated firmware causes drops. Finally, verify APN entries, match carrier values, and toggle data roaming if the SIM needs it to register on available networks. You're at the finish line. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and then restore only essential settings from your backup so you don't reintroduce a misconfiguration. To isolate issues, test a different, known working SIM. If that works, contact the original carrier. Physically relocate the modem to higher ground or near a window. Small placement changes often improve signal dramatically. One troubleshooting tip: if connectivity still fails, log signal metrics and provide them to support. They'll need band, RSSI, and error codes to diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.